So at the beginning, we do have this to available to cut it out, and then it's already pre-done. So and then to stick on the cover, and then to cut it out for that tools. We need that, and then each of them. We need a cut. So we need to cut to 8 pieces, and then to better to understand. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? To mark it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That will be easy for us to organize them. Then we need to make a hole at the middle. So using this to make a hole first, and then using the pen to make it bigger. Okay, like this. Then we need a 7 string to put it down. It's a little bit hard, but maybe we can using this for help. To pull this to here, then we can put into 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will see the gap from here. Then, so the last one we only have a 7. So from here, 1, 2, 3, the number 3. To take out to number 8. And then from here, the space, 1, 2, 3. From here, the space, 1, 2, 3. To the gap. To here, 1, 2, 3. To here. Just all the way to follow the same step. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. And then the gap, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. We just keep going. 1, 2, 3.